Quick cocktail video today featuring the return of the ice bear. Today's cocktail comes to us from the PDT cocktail book. Excellent book. If you don't have it, just chock-a-block with recipes and like fun illustrations and stuff. Written by Jim Meehan, who lives in Portland now and is a fine fellow. This drink was suggested by a Reddit user named Cheetos3. They suggested that I make this because of the ice bear, and it's called the Paddington. You might remember my ice bear video. It got some attention on Reddit, which was pretty cool. Now this recipe is Banks 5 Island Rum, half an ounce of Lillet, half an ounce of grapefruit, half an ounce of lemon, and some Bon Maman Orange Marmalade. This is one of those recipes where I thought, well, I've got just about all this. I always have lemon. I happen to have a grapefruit.
I have a grapefruit.
I have Lillet Blanc, and I got rum. And then I thought, I'll just run to the store and get some marmalade. Turns out I got the exact right brand of marmalade. Fancy that. So then I realized I don't actually have Banks 5, so I decided I would fake it. I'm going to use Real McCoy 5 here and just a little dash of Batavia Eric, because I happen to know that Banks 5 Island's secret ingredient is Batavia Eric. So we're taking some liberties with this drink, but it's supposed to be served up with a grapefruit twist. Instead, we're doing it on an ice bear. I mean, there's no rules. All right, so let's just do it. Give this a try. I mean, obviously, a real absinthe nose, you know. Grapefruit and lemon, I don't always think of together, but this is very pleasant. You get a sort of bitter aftertaste from the marmalade. That's really the only sweetener in this drink. Lillet is a little sweet, but I think my rum choice was fine. It tastes delicious, actually. It's sweet at the beginning from the rum and the grapefruit. It trails off into like the bitter marmalade, grapefruit pith kind of zone. Fun. And I will say also, I made my ice bear a little shorter this time, so it doesn't hit you in the nose quite so much. It's weird, but I think this would be a good breakfast drink. Marmalade, lemon, grapefruit combo almost tastes like orange juice. It's almost like a screwdriver or something. Weird. It'd be like the fanciest brunch ever. Man, that's the best. Paddington. How about that? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.
Ice bear, you're a nice bear. Is it nice